Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use easy wash clothes effectively. First, let's talk about sorting. It's super important to separate your laundry by color, like whites, lights, and darks, to avoid any color bleeding. Also, group items by fabric type, for example, keep delicate items separate from sturdy denim. Always check those care labels for specific instructions and remember to pre-treat any stains for the best results. Next, let's choose the right settings. For most easy care clothes, a gentle or permanent press cycle is ideal. When it comes to water temperature, cold water is your best friend for dark colors, delicates, and items that aren't heavily soiled. It helps prevent fading and shrinkage. Warm water works well for everyday loads and synthetic fabrics, offering a good balance of clean and care. Remember, the right temperature protects your clothes and saves energy. Now, let's talk about detergent. Many people use too much. For a regular load, 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid detergent or 1 pre-measured pod is usually plenty. It's also crucial not to overload your washing machine. Clothes need room to move freely for effective cleaning. Always add your detergent to the correct dispenser or directly into the drum before you add your clothes, following your product's specific instructions for best results. Finally, let's get those clothes dry and wrinkle-free. The key is to remove items from the dryer promptly, ideally when they are still slightly damp. Then, immediately hang or fold them to prevent wrinkles from setting in. For delicate garments, air drying on a rack or laying them flat is often best to preserve their shape. If you find a few stubborn wrinkles, a quick 5 to 10 minute tumble in the dryer with a damp cloth can work wonders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.